Hey traders, Chris Pulver here. Happy Monday, and I wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about the holidays and what it's like to be a trader during the holidays. I mentioned this in some of my weekly outlook videos, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel. But listen, the holidays, we tend to see lower volume, but we tend to see the markets still responding to market structure. So here's the trick. If we're noticing that the markets are predominantly range bound, most likely during holiday trading, we're either going to stay within those ranges or we might see the markets make those sneaky little breakouts. So let's make sure we're watching to see that price is confirming a break above. When I say confirming, I mean that we're looking for price to close higher and break that resistance. If it breaks down below, let's make sure we look to see price confirming, closing lower, and confirming that little sneaky break to the downside. So holiday trading seems like this. It's lower volume, typically lower volatility, but if the markets are range bound, it's either going to stay in those ranges, or when you see price closing above or closing below, we're going to stay with those drifts. Okay, the market likes to kind of break out and drift higher. So rather than fighting the move, it's better to be a trend trader and follow the path of least resistance. All right, now, if the market's going to stay in the range, we might be sitting near resistance. Look for the confirmation to see bearishness at the top of a channel. That bearishness can hopefully send us back down to support. If we're sitting near support, look for those bullish candles. Look for that bullish confirmation to start holding those lows and pushing us up towards resistance. All right, so we can still stay within the structure of range conditions, but a lot of times holidays with their sneaky little breakouts and sneaky little trends, they will break and drift higher. Right now, to add to that, if the market's already in a trend, if we've already seen a breakout within maybe a week before the holiday, okay, so as we're coming into Thanksgiving this year, as we're coming into Christmas and the holidays, if markets are trading with thinner volume, there's really not the equal fight. So if the bulls have been in control, it's probably easier for them to stay in control. So if you're noticing that, whether it's a stock or a currency pair, if we've already seen a pretty decent breakout and trend, it's likely going to stay in that direction. If we've seen a bearish breakout in a trend, it's likely going to stay in that direction. So the holiday time, in my opinion, is about low volume, drifting, continuations, trend trading, and don't fight it. This is not a time to call tops and bottoms. This is not a time to fight the market. This is time to trade what we see. All right, so if it's range bound, we can see the structure and trade within that structure. But once we start breaking out, make sure you're looking to follow along with that. If we're already in a trend, make sure you're looking to follow along with that. So that's it, traders. It's pretty simple, right? I'm all about keeping it simple with my trading. That's what I talk about every single week in my Flex trading room. Those are the videos I talk about in my weekly outlook on YouTube. I have a video series called Keep It Seriously Simple, right? If the market is breaking out, we go with it. If the market's range bound, we stay with it. We wait for price to confirm. We take good, clean, quality trades. All right? Good luck out there. Happy trading, lots of profits, and happy holidays. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.